Hi everybody, it's Sandy, and I am coming to you with my November sub box from DEK Designs. I did open it up already, so some of the stuff is out of its packaging, but not all of it. So I am going to just show you the contents. I had moved the black stuff out of the way, the little wrapping, and let's see here. Let's move it way out of the way over here. And I'll just start bringing some of the stuff out and show it to you. I'll show you the papers first. Well, no, here. We'll start with this. I got, for our treat, we got a Reese's peanut butter cup. Yum, yum. I have one day to eat that, and that is today, because tomorrow starts the better eating plan. Got a couple of little paper clips. Sorry, I haven't... It's only been like about a week since I videoed, and it's on double-sided paper. And also what I put in here was the little stickers, just to kind of combine some of the bags. So I'll show you those next, but I just love that paper. So we have some bow stickers. Here's like a plate. And flowers. This one is just adorable. I'm calling them marshmallows with knitted hats. That's what I'm calling them. A lantern. Cute little hedgehog. And that, I believe that's like a, it's either books stacked or like signs. I just love all the fall leaves. Really pretty colors. Beautiful pumpkin, and I have a white glitter pumpkin paper clip that'll look good, I think, with this set. A little fox. I shouldn't say a little fox. It's kind of a big fox. This is pretty too. This is what I'd like to have like on the center of my table. Candle and a bunch of pumpkins around. And this says welcome fall. So these are great. I think that's it. Yep. So those are just so pretty. I'm gonna have to find a separate little folder or something for all these cutouts that she sends, because they're great. And they're kind of bigger than what I normally put in my planner, but they're definitely great for other decorating and stuff like that. So, all right, so those will go there. And then we got washi tape. Isn't that pretty? It does have a little bit of, let's see if I can find the end. Here we go. It's kind of a really light peach color, I want to say. More, yellow with a tiny bit of orange in it, and then a bit of sparkle. So that's pretty. I don't have any colors like that, and it's really nice. There was these little stickers right here, which were in the last one. This one's kind of a lace, and this one comes off like that. And I don't know if you can see what they say on there, but it's don't forget, reminder, remember to go, date night, just all little things for putting a date on. All right. Oh, there's one more. There was some little washi strips. Such a light color. And then this was really nice. I think they might have printed these and made them themselves, because I can feel, and you might be able to see it too, where the sticky kind of goes around, how they sealed them. But I'll put it down here. So this is jot it down, and they all say jot it down, but it's like they used some of the paper. And they're not all different. There's just a couple different designs. I think it's just those two designs, and they just use them over and over again. But I just thought that was really great. So I'm probably going to take this to work and have it at my desk. I said I was going to start with the paper, and I didn't. Okay. And then this was cute. They made this cute little sleeve. sticking my hand in there so you can see it. And then inside of there was some glittery date dots and then a little thankful card. And so this, obviously you can give this to someone else. And nope, it doesn't fit that way, but I mean, just like that, you could give that to someone for Thanksgiving. I just thought that was really cute. If you have any place that you go, you know, a cute, and then you want to give the hostess something, what a pretty little thing to give them, maybe with their little gift. And there was another card like that, and I left it in here because it's so dainty. But I'll pull it out so you can see it. This one actually opens. So it's got your little cutout there. So that's the cutout, and then it opens to a thankful for, and you can write that in there. So that's another cute little card, and this makes a great little card holder for it too. You could even give this as a gift to the hostess along with one of those cards. So I thought that was really pretty. I'll put these away later. And then let's do the papers. And some of them are like a vinyl type feel to them. So these ones are not. This is normal type paper, but it is double-sided. It's so cute and precious. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I think I'm going to have to start making myself some more little traveler notebook things that I use for my purse. Make some new updated ones. There's those little marshmallow guys. They're so cute. And then they are on the plaid. And now we're to the vinyl sheets. And I don't know if you can see the shine to those. What a beautiful pattern. That is just beautiful. And these are double-sided as well. And so they have the pumpkins on there that say thankful and blessed. And that's more of the vinyl-y. I don't know if vinyl's what you call it. It's not vinyl, but it just, to me, it's kind of got that shine and stuff to it. The owls, so cute. And this one's huge. I could even see just cutting out these big things and doing something with it. And then on the other side is just a bunch of clips. Paper clips. Alright, I'm going to put the box down because there's nothing else in the box. I've had that resting on my knee. And those are empty. So we'll start with the monthly kits. And I left them in here because I didn't want them to get mixed up. I have to contact them because since I switched planners, I subscribe to the Erin Condren one. The Erin Condren one doesn't work for mine anymore. What I did last time was I kind of just cut that off and I arranged it so it would fit, but I gotta update that and tell them to put it to the Happy Planner. So this one you're seeing now is Erin Condren based. So there you've got your washi, and these are separate. This strip is separate from this. So you've got that there, all those little corner pieces there, and all your date dots, which I do have a dated planner, but I still put these over it just to make it coordinate. And then there's like the stuff for your sidebar here. And then all your little to-do type stickers there, which are cute, and your quarter boxes. And then this is just a thin little piece of washi. The other page is going to have one as well. This has got another thin piece of washi, and you can use that wherever you want in yours. They don't match, so they're just something different that's added in. And then these are just the little square boxes that can fit in your monthly boxes that don't have dates on them. And then some more quarter boxes for filling in things. And then a whole bunch of deco and some words on there as well. Rest day, family time, bill due. So yeah, cute. Basically smaller versions of those big stickers that I showed. So that is the month at a glance, and if I didn't show it, here is the foil. It's like a rose gold. Alright, so there's that one. I will put that back in here later. And then we have our weekly kit, and it's to me it's like 2 weeks, and you'll see why if you didn't watch the other one that I did. Okay, and I'm not sure, you know what, in the other one I remember there was an accident on that one. They sent me 2 monthlies in the last one, but they did send me the weekly kits plus some extras for the error, so that was super sweet of them. So they are an awesome shop. And so here are your full boxes, and these ones have the foil. Sorry for my fumbling fingers here. So then these would be your stickers up there for putting your dates, and then some more washi. This is just beautiful. I'm loving that light tealish and dark tealish colors with the red, orange, and peach. It's really pretty. And then we're out of the foil part, and then these are half boxes and a couple quarter boxes. And then I'll move that aside for a minute so you can see the lady. So she sends you all 4 type skin tones that they have of the ladies, so you can use whichever one you want. You can use them all, you can use just the one that most resembles you, give the others to your girlfriends. And so this is why I say it can be for 2 weeks, because here you have another set with date dots and washi and the days of the week on there. And I just love that black. I think this is really pretty. And then there's some more full boxes. And there are some to-do boxes. You also have some like flags here too. Little things there. And there's all your little headers with your to-dos and littles. And I like the workout ones on there. I've got to start doing that again. Some page flags, some more deco, little box notes, and then another sheet of little deco, and then these ones as well, kind of a miscellaneous fun thing. This one's a computer, if you can see. She's by a computer, so you can write in there maybe if it's YouTube night or Etsy night or whatever it is that you're doing. So there, and then one more item, and that's the pen, and it's so pretty. Rose gold and like a pinkish purplish. That's like almost like a gel in there. Goes kind of slow, going down and moving. So yeah, so that is everything from the DEK design box this month. Gorgeous. I am loving the subscription. I can't tell you how enjoyable it is getting the box and getting all this fun stuff in there. So I hope everyone has a good month, week, day ahead. And then I will see you again in another video, hopefully. I think I got everything out of there. All right. Thanks so much for watching.